Jonathan Lee Riches investigates. Chief Hadley, who is investigating the Quinton Simon case, he is 100% breaking the law right now. He is breaking the law, and I'm going to show you right now why he is breaking the law. Check it out. This is an email I sent to the Chatham County Police Department, Chief Hadley. I sent it October 27th, 2022. Hello. Requesting the following open records. Full names and badge numbers of all employees within your department who has investigated the Quinton Simon case so far. Failure to respond to this open records request will result in litigation against you. You are required by law to respond within 3 business days. Respectfully, Jonathan Riches. And here is some criteria under the Georgia Public Records Act. How long does an agency have to produce the records? An agency must produce the records responsive to a request within 3 business days, absent exceptional circumstances. If the records cannot be produced within 3 business days, the agency must inform the requester in writing when the records will be produced, the cost to produce the records, and if applicable, the specific legal authority exempting the records from disclosure by code section, subsection, and paragraph. The agency can only add or to amend this legal authority cited as the basis for exemption only once if such amendment is within 5 days of discovery of an error. So 4 business days later, on the 2nd of November, I sent Chief Hadley another Georgia Open Records Act request from the following one that he didn't respond to. Hello, Chief. You know you are breaking the law by not responding to my Georgia Open Records Act within 3 business days. I submitted this request on the 27th of October. I plan to seek civil penalties against you for non-compliance. Explain that wasteful spending to the taxpayers that all could have been avoided if you followed the law and responded to my open records request. Respectfully, Jonathan Riches. A great victory. Georgians can recover Open Records Act civil penalties, Court of Appeals rules. I think the Court of Appeals recognized what the legislature was trying to accomplish, and hopefully people will start using this civil penalty tool to hold elected officials accountable, said Matthew Cardindale, a lawyer who sued the city of Atlanta over alleged Georgia Open Records Act violations. So Chief Hadley with the Chatham County Police Department, he is breaking the law right now. He is not responding to my Georgia Public Records Act request. I sent him numerous requests. In the end of October, he has yet to respond. That is a violation of Georgia law. That is a violation of Georgia law. He's not responding to the open records requests. I don't want to sue this guy. I don't want to take this guy in court to get the records, but the public has the right to know certain things. And if he doesn't want to disclose it, then he has to tell me why. But there's no response. The silence is deafening for sure. Jonathan Lee Riches investigates what happened to Quinton Simon. I'm going to dig deeper, and I'm going to keep filing open records requests with the Chatham County Police Department. And if I have to take them to court to have them explain themselves why they're not going to give the records, then so be it. They should respond to me and say why they shouldn't, or they should respond to me and give me the records that the public and journalists are entitled to. Public and journalists are entitled to that. And if you have to go to court for that, that's a waste of Chatham County taxpayers' money, because he knows he's breaking the law by not responding. But he thinks he can get away with it if he doesn't want to respond. So we'll see. Remains to be seen. Stay tuned. Everyone be safe. God bless. Justice for Quinton Simon.